Welcome back to my YouTube channel Surakshaakavach, co-sponsored by Global Insurance Advisory Services, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र इंडिया। सबसे पहले तो आप सभी को 2021 की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। दोस्तों, आज हम एक ऐसी पॉलिसी के बारे में बात करेंगे जो हर शॉपकीपर्स, मॉल ओनर्स, छोटे या बड़े सभी को लेना ज़रूरी है। और क्यों ज़रूरी है, आइए जानते इस पॉलिसी की क्या है खूबी। शॉपकीपर्स इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज। Why are shop insurance policies vital for all shop owners? Why does one shopkeeper needs a policy? Shopkeeping is an economic activity pursued with the aim of earning maximum profits within the limits of governments, rules and regulations, as well as social values. To ensure that one can focus on primary activity, it is necessary that the mind should be free from other worries not related to trading, such as accidents, which could hamper the business activity. What does shopkeeper's insurance policy cover? Shopkeeper insurance policy covers all the probable risks and perils faced by small to medium-sized shop owners. It provides protection from the property and interest of insurers in the business venture. The shopkeeper insurance policy contains 13 sections. Sections covers as follows are: Section 1, type of insurance and what is covered and what is not covered. Fire, loss to building perils as per standard fire and special policy, including earthquake. Fire, loss to contents, stock in trade, NFFF, perils as per standard perils policy, including earthquake. What is not covered? Loss, damage to bonds, securities, precious stones, jewelry, cash, valuables, livestock, motor vehicle, pedal cycle, etc. is not covered. Section 2, type of insurance and what is covered. Housebreaking, loss, damage of contents, excluding money and valuable by housebreaking, excluding where any partner of any employee of the insured or member of insured family is concerned is principal or accessory. What is not covered? Loss, damage to animals, motors, vehicle, pedal cycles, documents, bonds, securities, jewelry, cash, valuable, etc. is not covered. Section 3, type of insurance and what is covered. Money, loss of money due to any accident or misfortune between any two places within the radius of 25 kilometers from the insured shop, bills in the hands of the insured and or his authorized employees, cash in safe, steel cupboard, cash box chute under lock and key due to housebreaking, cash in till counter during business hours following assaults and or violence and or threats. What is not covered? Loss of money wherein employees of the insurance or member of the insurance family is concerned as principal or accessories. Loss of money from safe following the use of key to the stand safe or any duplicate thereof belonging to the insured unless such key has been obtained by assault or violence of any threat. सेक्शन 4 में क्या कवर है? टाइप ऑफ इंश्योरेंस एंड व्हाट इज कवर. पेडल साइकिल, लॉस, डैमेज टू पेडल साइकिल एज पर स्टैंडर्ड फायर एंड स्पेशल पेडल्स पॉलिसी इंक्लूडिंग हाउस ब्रेकिंग और थेफ्ट. लीगल लायबिलिटी ₹10,000 तक. थर्ड पार्टी एक्सीडेंटल डेथ or bodily injury and accidental damage to property. What is not covered? Loss, damage while racing, peacemaking, wells using for hire or reward, overloading strain or mechanical breakdown, theft of accessories unless pedal cycle is stolen at the same time. Section 5, what type of insurance and what is covered. Plate glass, accidental breakage to fix plate glass, plain and ordinary glaze quantity in the insured building. Note: damage to framework and other than plain, such as embossed, silvers, ornamental inks, etc., can also be covered provided specifically declared. What is not covered? Breakage of frameworks, discoloration, scratching of glass, unless specifically stated. Section 6, type of insurance and what is covered. Neon glass, loss or damage. Two neon sign, below sign by accidental means fire, lightning, external expression. What is not covered? Loss or damage by fusing or burning of any bulbs and or tubes arising from short circuiting or acid or any other mechanical or electrical breakdown. Section 7. Types of insurance. What is covered? Baggage, loss, damage to personal baggage of the insured and accompanied baggage related to the trade. What is not covered? Cash, jewelry, travel, tickets, consumable, goods, loose articles such as sticks, umbrellas, sunshades, etc. Loss whilst traveling within the municipal limits of the village, town or city where permanently arising. Section 8 में types of insurance and what is covered. Personal accident, death of bodily injury by accidental piloting, extended visible means to self and employees up to 10 times of the annual salary. Age group should be 10 to 16 to 65 years should be the only be insured. Medical benefits extension at additional premium, weekly compensation for TTD while hospitalization. What is not covered? Exceptions as per PA policies such as suicide or attempted suicide, self-injury resulting from insured committing by any breach of law with criminal intent. Section 9 में type of insurance what is covered. Fidelity guarantee direct, pecuniary loss caused by act of fraud, of dishonesty, forgery, embellishment, larceny by insured employees. What is not covered? Not more than one claim is respect of an employees, salesmen and commission agents are not covered. Section 10 में type of insurance and what is covered. Electronic equipments insurance, electronic equipment including personal computers, CCTVs and related equipments. What is not covered? Loss due to wear and tear fault effects existing at commencement of the policy for which the manufacturer is responsible. Section 11. Breakdown electrical appliances, breakdown of appliances installed in the shop such as AC, refrigerator, etc. What is not covered? Loss due to fault existing before insurance for which the supplier manufacturer is responsible. Section 12. Public liability. Public liability of the insured to the public of bodily injury of accidental death rupees 50,000 तक cover है. Employees liability, workman compensation, ensures legal liability to his employees as per WC Act 1923. What is not covered? Liability to family members and employees, liability to public and family members. Section 13. What is covered? Business interruption, loss in respect of following items, loss of gross income, expenses toward accountant charge. What is not covered? Aggravation of loss due to restrictions imposed by public authorities, lack of sufficient capitals, losses consequent to material damage to security records. Manuscripts, plans, drawing, etc. is not covered. ये तो जान लिया हमने 13 सेक्शंस के बारे में, जहाँ के salient features of the policy क्या है. The shopkeeper insurance policy can be taken for any shops of पक्का construction where the community value for the building and contents is up to rupees 2 crores. 15% of the insured is waived for the under insurance of per section 1. Minimum 4 sections are to be taken, out of which section 1B and 2 are compulsory. The business interruption section 13 can also be opted as one of the optional section. Shop selling, confectionery and sweet meats can be provided. No process of manufacture is done in the shop premises. Restaurants, cafe cannot be covered. Dry cleaners shops can be covered provided no process is carried out in the shop premises. Jewelry shops cannot be covered. Tailor shops, watch repairers can be covered provided no process is carried out. Incidental repairs are however allowed. No shopkeeper insurance policies can be issued for showrooms and display centers where no sales are carried out. Electrical and electronic goods like CCTV, personal computers and related equipment installed in insurance shop can also be covered against the risk of the fire, house breaking, electrical or mechanical breakdown. For taking coverages under more than 4 sections, 15% discount is allowed. For more than 6 sections, 20% discount is allowed. Long-term policy for 4 years, net discount rate is also available. The policy carries varying expenses applicable to different sections. Terrorism risk can also be covered at additional premium. For taking business interruption cover, proposal should have a sales tax number, and if he is a taxpayer, permanent account number PAN number is required. Reinstatement of sum assured subsequent to losses available for all sections except PA, fidelity, guarantee, public liability and WC. अधिक जानकारी के लिए हमारे दिए नंबर्स पे माहिम ब्रांच, घाटकोपर ब्रांच, विक्रोली ब्रांच और पटना ब्रांच पे हमें कॉल कर सकते हो। मेरा भी नंबर दिया हुआ है 9029782709 पे हमें कॉल कर सकते हो। आपको हमारा वीडियो कैसा लगा आप हमें बताइए। सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए और लाइक करिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।